In today's video, I'm gonna be eating 10k calories of cereals. I'm gonna let Dice decide which cereals am I gonna eat.
An arrow and a bow will decide which cereals am I gonna eat now. My nephew would pick my next cereal.
It was the hardest challenge I ever done. What is going on, everybody? My name is Vanya and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be eating 10k calories of cereals. It's gonna be epic. So keep on watching. You'll see if I'll be able to try all of these cereals and eat 10k calories. It's 7:12 right now of Sunday the 28th. So I'm gonna start off with these two, Cocoa Pops white chocolate and milk chocolate, to see what they taste like. Everyone's saying Cocoa Pops white chocolate is better, but I'll find out for myself. Let's go. 200 grams of each. Okay, let's add some milk here. And milk calories doesn't count, so it's only the cereal.
The king goes and the
Alright, let's go. I'll start with milk one. Nice. Off to white chocolate. It's not really white chocolatey. It's just a subtle taste. If you like normal cereal with no added white chocolate or milk chocolate, just plain. So I don't know what the hype is about. I give Cocoa Pops 7 out of 10. It's okay. Like, it's nothing mind blown. And same with white chocolate Cocoa Pops. Nothing mind blowing. So both are 7 out of 10. Now let's finish them. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna mix both of them together and see if that will improve the flavor. Boom! You didn't expect that, didn't you? Now let's see what it's gonna taste like. Boom! That's a WOW moment. Shout out to ErikTheElectric. This is 10 out of 10 now. Boom! So Kellogg's, you know what you have to do. You have to mix both of them together. Separately, they're just okay, but together, they're outstanding. I'm staying feel full actually. Did not expect that to happen so soon. Let's go. Wow, that was heavy. So far, I ate 1,543 calories. Keep on watching to see if I'll die or I'll finish this challenge with ease. I forgot to show you the finishing time, so 7:51. What's happening, guys? So now it's time for me to eat another 2 bowls of cereals, 400 grams. And this time, I'm gonna let Dice decide which cereals am I gonna eat. Churros. And what else am I gonna eat? Nothing. Vanilla. Ta-da!
I got churros and vanilla banana pudding.
Fight!
I'm back again to eat some more cereals, and this time an arrow and a bow will decide which cereals am I gonna eat now. Peanut butter and Choco Pebbles, Cookie Crisp, Crave, Choco Roulette, Crispy Strawberries, Cheerios, and they all have name tags: white, black, blue, red and yellow. That is for the target.
My name is Oliver Queen. I've been stranded here for 5 years. I've dreamt of my rescue every cold black night since then. I've had only one thought, one goal: survive and one day return home. The island held many dangers. To live, I had to forge myself into a weapon. I am returning. Not the boy who was shipwrecked, but the man who will bring justice to those who have poisoned my city.
Now it's time to eat my trophy. Crave Choco Roulette. Okay, my sister decided to join me again for another cereal. This size is her bowl and mine. Anyways, starting time is 2:50. I feel hungry, so it's gonna be easy. Let's destroy this. I like it. It's not as sweet as the previous cereals, so I'm gonna do now. How is that? Easy. I gave it an 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good. The only thing is, they all taste the same. Don't taste any white chocolate in it. But anyways. Okay, 3/4 in, and I kind of feel full. But I should be able to finish it. Okay, another bowl is done. I feel full. Finishing time 14:57. Okay, I enjoyed that better than the other meal. I kinda crave something savory, even though I'm not hungry at all. I'm bloated, but I hope to finish this challenge. This bowl had 1,330 calories, 200 grams of carbs, 45 grams of fats, and 22 grams of protein. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I decided to meet my nephew and I went over to his house so he would pick my next cereal. Yay, cookies! High five, Max! Okay, it's 16:57. Time to eat. That's my sister, guys. Anyways. My nephew just stole my cereals. It's okay. I'm sick of them anyways. So Cookies Crisp is like okay. Nothing major. 7 out of 10 max. It's just the taste is so plain. Doesn't taste like cookies at all. So okay. Oh, that wasn't as heavy as the previous one, but it's done. And the finish time is 17:06. Okay, so Cookie Crisp is another 1,154 calories, 253 grams of carbs, 11.5 grams of fats, and 11.5 grams of protein. Alright, so we're gonna go to the beach and chill there. Let's go. What's going on, fam? It's time for another pack of cereals. Pebbles, peanut butter, and cocoa. Yeah, 300 grams. I'm getting tired of this. And the time is 19:28. Let's begin. Don't have a lot of milk there. Just ran out. And the shops are all closed. Let's go. Not sure if I like it. If it's a bit too sweet, and there's just not enough milk, and I ate so much already that I can't even tell if it's good or not. But it's again nothing too bad, but nothing too good either. It's just average. So sweet, and absolutely no milk left. Another 300 grams gone. That was 1,200 calories, 240 grams of carbs, 25 grams of fats, and 20 grams of protein. So much carbs, not enough protein. Finishing time is 19:38, so just like 4 hours to finish this challenge. I don't know if I can make it, but I'll try my best. Catch you guys later.
Hey guys, so it's time to choose another cereal. Would it be a Reese's Puffs or Lucky Charms? Let's ask Instagram for it. So let's post the story.
5 hours later.
Alright, I guess Reese's Puffs it is then. Sorry, Lucky Charms, it's not your day. 400 grams of Reese's Puffs is incoming. Okay, the time is 10:04. I've got my bowl of cereals and I'm gonna watch a movie. I haven't watched Avengers The Endgame, so I'm gonna do it right now with my sis. She's just getting her food as well. update on the Reese's Puffs. I actually enjoy them more than the other cereals. I give them 9.5 out of 10. A bit salty, a bit sweet, not too much. I like it. Hi guys. As you can see, all the cereal's gone. 400 grams of Reese's Puffs. I feel like I'm gonna blow up. Wow. The finishing time is 22:15. It was 1,655 calories, 303 grams of carbs, 41 grams of fats, and 27 grams of protein. I'll watch Avengers Endgame for another hour, and then I'll finish with my last bowl. I need superhuman strength to digest all the food that I ate so far. And I'm craving this pizza that my sister made and eaten herself. Craving something savory. Oh, I feel like this challenge was a big mistake. Should have just went and eat burgers for 10k calories. Be way easier, but that's why it's a challenge. It's meant to be tough. I'll come back to you in a second, I guess. For me it'll be an hour, but it doesn't matter.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, it's like 20 to 12. I'm bloated, but I'm gonna finish the challenge. This time, it's gonna be Rice Krispies with strawberry flavor. Last bowl, 400 grams. I'm gonna die. The starting time is 23:43. I've got my strawberry Rice Krispies and still watching the end game. Absolutely regretting doing this challenge. But anything for you. Guys, I feel like I ate a ton today. This is just not healthy. If I knew it would be that hard and so painful, yeah dude, I wouldn't even try. But I did. 10k calories of just eating cereals in 24 hours. And last spoon is going down. Finishing time 23:50. In those Rice Krispies, there was 1,547 calories, 346 grams of carbs, 5.3 grams of fats, and 28 grams of protein. Wow. And to be honest, you're okay. Probably not even that great as I expected. So 6.5 out of 10. So in total, I ate 10,081 calories. And the winner would be Cocoa Pops mixed together, white chocolate with milk chocolate, and Reese's Puffs. There are two the winners. The rest were just average, not even that great. And to sum it all up, it was the hardest challenge I ever done. I don't think I'll be doing another 10k calories for a good while. I just feel bloated. My stomach is sore. I feel like I'm gonna suffer for like at least a week or two. I feel the sugar rush, headache, bloating. If it was just a good idea in general, doing it. But I do it all for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like that video if you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below what you think of that video. And subscribe. Share with your friends. Hit the bell button. Watch my other videos. Have you seen my 10k calories challenge?
watch it to find out how did that go. Stay tuned for more videos.